If you want to lose that excess weight but you don't fancy doing a ton of high intensity, mind-numbing cardio, then this video is for you, because I'm going to explain exactly how walking will help you hit your weight loss goals quicker and easier than you thought possible, and all without a pair of running shoes in sight. Coach Ben here, and I specialise in helping busy professionals get their energy back, lose the excess weight and gain muscle without being tied to the gym, eating food they hate or doing mind-numbing cardio. So if that sounds like you, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's get into it. Walking has to be one of the most underrated forms of exercise out there. The beauty of it is it's easy to fit in and involves no specialised training gear, meaning that you can do it pretty much anywhere, and with just a few changes and tweaks to your day, you can be walking yourself into shape in no time. But just how many steps should you be aiming for a day to hit your weight loss goals? Now, the figure most touted around is 10,000 steps a day, and this seems a good achievable number to aim for. And also remember that you don't need to do all of those steps at one time. You can break them down throughout the day. As long as you hit your 10K in that day, you're all good. So let's get into the numbers. How many calories should you expect to burn from walking? Well, again, this is going to differ from person to person, but let's, for argument's sake, say you weigh in around 180 pounds. You don't really move that much at the moment. You'd expect to burn off approximately 60 calories per 1,000 steps, meaning that walking 10,000 steps a day would burn off approximately 600 calories a day. Now, when you roll this out across a week, that adds up to a whopping 4,200 calories burnt, which is more than enough to burn a pound of body fat, which is approximately 3,500 calories, if you keep your calories the same, of course. Like I say, this is just walking alone. If you combine this with a healthy diet and bring down your calories in slightly, meaning the calories that you consume a day, let's say by 500 a day, suddenly you're burning around 2 pounds of fat a week with very little change, if you have been consuming a high number of calories and haven't been moving that much before. Although hitting 10,000 steps a day can seem quite daunting, it can actually be very achievable with just a few changes. Walking for just 15 minutes after each meal, for example. Walking while you're on the phone or holding walking meetings are all good. Also taking the stairs instead of taking lifts, walking instead of driving to the shops, it all adds up. And remember, just like everything else, once you start to build the habit, it becomes second nature and you start naturally finding yourselves looking for more reasons to walk and move. Okay guys, so summing up, you can lose weight through walking. Just remember that weight loss and being healthy is a journey. It's not a destination. You need to be able to enjoy it. If you hate what you're trying to do, even if it works short term, you will never stick to it long term. Because you hate it, you won't be happy and you'll find excuses not to do it, and it will all just fall apart. And you'll end up right back where you started, if not in a worse place. Whereas if you build this around routines that work for you and that, dare I say it, you might actually enjoy, you can and will succeed and stay fit and healthy for years to come. And if you're looking to lose that extra weight, get your energy back up, and you're looking for a sustainable long-term solution, then click the link in the description of this video and let me show you how you can get to where you want to go. And I will see you in the next video.